Hi guys, today I'm here to show you this really cool 40 ounces insulated tumbler that I got from Amazon. It's super cool, super stylish. I love the rose gold color. It's made out of stainless steel and with BPA-free plastic, so that's pretty cool. It comes with 2 reusable metal straws and a little brush for you to clean your straws. You can use it 2 ways. You can drink through the top of the cup, or you can use the straw, obviously. The cool thing about this cup is that it's leak-proof and it has a detachable handle, so that's pretty nice too. You can use it anywhere. It's lightweight, it's very stylish, again, and it'll keep your drink hot for 12 hours, so it's super good for the winter. And for the summer, it keeps your drink cold for 34 hours. So now with the temperatures that we're getting, this is the perfect option for you to keep yourself hydrated. I hope you guys enjoyed the product.